Here we have some animals, some pets that are being given treats. And really the most important thing to think about when you look at this question is, let's imagine the group here, the group of pets. We're going to put them into two subgroups. There are those that only receive one treat, and then there are those that receive two. I'll use a different color here. And so we can separate them into two groups. I don't know, call them group A and group B. Group A and group B. Question is how many treats are served? And you always ask, well, what's the question behind the question? What do I need to know in order to answer the question? Well, I would need to know what? How many animals are in group A and how many animals are in group B? And then once I do, the number of animals in group B, they each get two treats, so we'll multiply that by 2. And the number of animals in group A, we'll just multiply that by 1. And then when we add up those numbers, then we'll know the total number of treats that are served. All right, let's see what we got. Statement 1. The number of animals, the number of pets, why don't I say P, equals 90. Helpful, but not sufficient because we don't know how many are in group A and how many are in group B. Can't say it's sufficient. So we got to cross off 1 and we got to cross off each. If statement 1 doesn't give you enough information, you can't say that each statement gives you enough information. So A and D are out, but the info does seem helpful. Let's look at 2 in isolation. Try to erase statement 1 from our minds for a minute. Let's write statement 2 here. We're told that two-thirds of the pets, two-thirds of P, receive 2 treats, which of course means what? That 1/3 receive 1 treat. Knowing the ratio, it may be helpful, but we need what? Exact numbers, raw numbers, in order to find an exact number of treats. So statement 2 also not sufficient, so B is out. Now a question, if I combine the statements, is that enough information? Well, yes, let's do some erasing here. Now we're not just talking about two-thirds of some mysterious number. If you combine the information from statements 1 and 2, statement 1, 90 animals, statement 2, two-thirds of them, or 60, receive 2 treats, so that's 120 treats for them. 1/3 of the animals, 30, each receive only 1 treat. So the total, we know the answer. So together, answer C. So if that made sense, hope you'll click the like button, share the video with friends who are taking the GMAT, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next lesson.